The bloodbath we warned you about yesterday is officially here, and today, January 14th, the market is facing a double-edged sword that could wipe out months of gains in a single session. If you're holding Tesla right now, you need to wake up. Nvidia has just dropped a nuclear bomb on Elon Musk's FSD dreams by open-sourcing their Alpamayo AI models for autonomous driving. This means every car manufacturer, from Mercedes to BYD, now has access to the same, human-like thinking AI that Tesla spent billions to develop. This is why Tesla stock just plummeted 3 to 4%, while Nvidia is sitting pretty with gains. The whales aren't just selling, they are rotating their capital out of overpriced promises and into the actual hardware that powers the future. But the tech war is only half the story. The banking sector is flashing a massive, systemic risk signal. JPMorgan just warned that a proposed 10% cap on credit card interest rates could cripple the US economy. Jamie Dimon himself is sounding the alarm, and investors are listening. JPMorgan shares fell over 4%, dragging the entire Dow Jones down with it. We are seeing a historic breakdown in financial stocks, and when the banks bleed, the rest of the market follows. The Dow has shed nearly 400 points, and the 49,000 level that we called a bull trap last week is now a distant memory. The question isn't if the market will correct, but how deep this January reset is going to go. And let's talk about the inflation ghost. Even though the CPI numbers came in at 0.2%, the market is shrugging it off. Why? Because the independence of the Federal Reserve is under direct attack. With the DOJ investigation into Jerome Powell and political pressure for aggressive rate cuts, global investors are losing trust in the US dollar. When trust evaporates, volatility spikes. We're seeing oil prices pull back slightly as Venezuela resumes exports, but the unrest in Iran is keeping a floor under energy costs. If energy spikes again while banks are failing, we are looking at a stagflation scenario that 2026 was supposed to avoid. So, what is the play for the rest of today? Look at the VIX, it's creeping up. Look at gold, it's hovering near record highs because people are scared. If you are day trading the Nasdaq, watch the 10:30 a.m. reversal very closely. If we don't see a massive buyback from the institutional whales by midday, then the floor is much lower, possibly another 2% down for the S&P 500. This is Market Minute USA, and we are not here to give you hopium. We are here to give you the hard data. The whales have exited the banks and they are shorting the Tesla hype. Are you going to be the exit liquidity, or are you going to trade like a pro? Check your margin, tighten your stops, and stay tuned for our closing bell update. Drop a comment, are you Team Nvidia or Team Tesla after today's AI bombshell? Subscribe now, or get left behind in the 2026 reset.